Number 1. Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S. The Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S stands out with its aggressive yet elegant styling. A bold Panamericana grille, sporty bumpers, and 22-inch alloy wheels give it a commanding road presence. Sleek LED lighting and coupe-like lines add a refined touch to its muscular profile. Inside, the GLE 63S offers a luxurious cabin with premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting. The twin 12.3-inch displays create a high-tech dashboard, while the spacious interior ensures comfort for both driver and passengers. Under the hood, a handcrafted 4.0-litre V8 biturbo engine with EQ boost delivers 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. The 4MATIC plus all-wheel drive system and AMG ride control plus suspension provide sharp handling and smooth power delivery, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. Equipped with the MBUX infotainment system, augmented reality navigation and voice control, the GLE 63S is cutting edge. Safety is enhanced with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and active brake assist. Starting at around $122,000, the Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S offers top-tier performance, luxury, and innovation in a premium SUV package. Number 2. Porsche Cayenne GTS. The Porsche Cayenne GTS features a sporty and muscular design, highlighted by its black accents, aggressive front fascia, and sleek LED headlights. Sitting on 21-inch RS Spider design wheels with a lowered stance, it embodies performance with a bold, athletic presence. Inside, the Cayenne GTS blends luxury with a racing spirit. Alcantara-trimmed surfaces, GTS-specific stitching, and sport seats create a dynamic atmosphere. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch touchscreen at the center. Powered by a 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8, the GTS produces 453 horsepower and 457 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic S transmission and active all-wheel drive, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds, offering sharp, responsive handling and thrilling power delivery. The Cayenne GTS includes Porsche communication management, Apple CarPlay, navigation, and a premium sound system. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and night vision assist ensure confident driving in all conditions. Starting at around $117,000, the Porsche Cayenne GTS offers an ideal mix of performance, luxury, and everyday practicality for the driving enthusiast. Number 3. BMW X6. The BMW X6 stands out with its bold coupe-like silhouette, sculpted lines, and iconic illuminated kidney grille. Adaptive LED headlights, muscular wheel arches, and a sloping roofline create a dynamic and sporty appearance that turns heads wherever it goes. Inside, the X6 offers a refined and sporty cabin with high-quality materials, contrast stitching, and customizable ambient lighting. The dual 12.3-inch displays provide a modern digital cockpit, while the seats offer excellent comfort and support for long drives. Under the hood, the X6 offers a turbocharged inline-6 or an available V8, producing up to 523 horsepower. Paired with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension, the X6 delivers precise handling, responsive acceleration, and a smooth, confident ride. The X6 features BMW's latest iDrive 8 system with voice and gesture control, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Safety is enhanced with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera system for maximum awareness. Starting at approximately $74,000, The BMW X6 combines bold design, cutting-edge tech, and thrilling performance. Perfect for those who want style without compromise.